Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to capitalize all letters in Google Docs. So if you have any Google documents that you have and you want to change it to all uppercase letters, then it's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do this with few steps. So what you want to do once you're inside Google Docs, guys, you want to ensure that you select the text that you want to capitalize. So let's say I would like to do this, the address and also the date at the top here, upper left side of the document. All you have to do is highlight the text, then go to format, down to text, then down to capitalization, and here you have uppercase. Just select that and all the text will be in uppercase. So very easy how to capitalize all letters in Google Docs. You can do that for anything. Let me do it for the entire writings here, in the paragraph and so forth here. So let me highlight this, go down to format and go to text, capitalization, uppercase, and that's it. This is very useful, guys, if you have any document that you already write and you want to convert that or change that to all uppercase letters. You can use this step to do that. Otherwise, if you're just writing your document and you know that you want to capitalize on that, you can simply go ahead and press caps lock on your keyboard and simple type whatever you want, right? And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. That's the manual way how to do it, by press cap lock on your keyboard and you will just write in uppercase all the way. Or if you already have some text, you can go ahead and convert them using these steps that I show you from the format menu. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.